What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. There are 2 chairs, 2 bowls. There's a special guest. I wonder who it is. Let's snap her in. 1, 2, 3.
How did I even get here?
I snapped you in. Where'd my hat go? I guess when I snap things in, I lose everything. So, guys, we're going to be doing a little twist to this slime. We'll mix up with this little slime. We're doing 10 questions for each. We are doing, I don't know what kind of questions they are, but it's be complicated to explain, so I just want you guys to watch and find out how we are going to be doing this.
She's our mascot.
Okay. Whoever draws the question and reads it themselves, they have to answer it on the right exact amount or spot or exact answer. Or if you don't get the answer, then let's say if I don't get the answer, she gets to pour in the glue. Or if I get the answer right, I get to pour in the glue. And then it'll be her turn to answer. Just so you guys know, that's what we're doing. We're going to talk to you for a little bit.
We'll show you guys the colors.
So, here are the colors that we have. We have pink, purple, another pink. The other purple from this one was not good, so we just threw it away.
We have blue.
We got green.
2 blues and 2 greens.
Everything's 2 of everything, so
No,
except for purple. Here's another green.
And then we have.
Here's another blue.
And then we have yellow and red.
And then another blue.
Yeah, that's turquoise, by the way.
Turquoise.
Yeah. And we have. And then we have.
And then we have some pink lotion from Victoria. No. From Bath and Body Works. No. From Victoria's Secret. We have some shaving cream from Equate, which is Walmart. So you guys
and
know.
We have pink lotion. And we have shaving cream. No,
we have
keep
Almar School Glue, which is 1 gallon. This thing's freaking heavy. Then we have some borax.
And borax is very dangerous. Yes! I got a point!
Other glue.
And that's yours? Oh no, and just yours?
No, and yours. Okay, guys, since we're chicas now, it's my turn. Oh, hard question. I hate hard questions. I got number 5. What color Kool-Aid did I make? I want to say purple.
Nope.
It's not purple. Crap.
I get another thing.
Was it red?
Cherry.
Crap.
Black?
Nope.
Shoot, you get glue.
Oh, yay.
What is
What
it?
was the question?
What
Wait.
is
What was the question?
What color is my shoes I wear? Oh, they was blue. That's what.
Turquoise, okay.
I mean.
Okay, my turn for the questions.
What's the number?
5 and 10.
We don't stir it up.
what's
Can I
the
put a
number
little
on
bit
the
more this
5
one?
and 10.
Can I put a little bit more on this,
Got 3 on
this
that.
one?
5 and 10.
Can I put a little
Got
bit
3
more?
papers.
Can I put a little more on this?
No, not yet. 10, 5,
7.
7.
Dude, it's okay. It's okay.
Just a beat.
Alright, Ryan's turn. Come on.
I got number 8. The Flintstones.
Yep.
That was
I love
easy.
it.
What was my fave cartoon? It's the Flintstones.
Yeah, I watched it all day. I should put that much. I gotta put a little bit more.
Just wait.
I gotta pick that.
After we're
6.
done, we're gonna start all this together.
6. Okay. 6.
Go.
How many subs does Ryan have? 64.
God bless it.
Lotion.
Walmart shaving cream and Victoria's Secret pink lotion. So you guys know.
This is fun.
Number 9. Number 9. Oh yeah. How many times did Ryan take Curly picture for the other day? How many times did Ryan at the log, going out the trees? It's not that one. So there was 2 of them. There was 2 of them.
Mama, is it this?
There was.
Is it this?
All right,
Okay,
guys.
say
So
it, you got it.
this slime is not for me. It is for my little sister over there.
Mine. Like Duke. Like Duke. Ryan. Every time you have to make a different one.
I don't understand
Can
why.
I
What's
watch
the
you?
point in that?
Yeah, I want you. Yeah, you can.
All right, you gotta move though.
Is it going to be the same color?
Yeah. But pink.
Can't look, Ryan. I don't have shaving cream. No, I don't have that much. Quit. Mountain Dew. Ryan. AKA Mountain
That's
Dew.
all. That's all. AKA Mountain Dew, AKA Ryan Turner, AKA nothing,
AKA. No.
AKA pink.
Lotion. Oh shoot! It's on the table. No. I need the ball. No. Ryan, you're making me wet.
I'm making you pink.
I know that's not pink.
It's pink.
blue.
It's pink, baby.
You had to take my ball.
I did.
No, that's red. No.
And that's pink.
It's on the table. And I just made a bigger mess. What is you making? Hi. Hi. No, mine's not stretchy. Oh well, mine's better.
This is freaking vibrant.
It's stretchy now. It's mine. Yeah, it is. Let me touch it and see.
You can have that. I don't.
It's so
You said it last time.
Ryan!
Seriously.
Oh no! It's slippery! Look at it. Look at the slime. Yeah. Is that why turning slime?
No, I need more X.
Anyway. Yeah, that sucks. You can just throw that away. Mine doesn't. Is that borax? Bobby, look! Look!
This has a mixture of pink and purple, just so you know this.
Why don't like yours?
Ryan don't like hers.
I can stretch you. Well, because I know how to make slime, you don't. Yes, she does. And it don't stick to your clothes either. What the heck? That's cold. Now you gotta knead it now. You gotta keep on kneading it so you feel like it's okay. What?
Sister.
I need more of that borax. Let's get on Joe before we do it. Let me knead it so you won't get mad.
Yeah, it's working this time.
Like that one? Do you need my whole... I don't like yours. So I like mine. I like yours. I really do. Thank you.
What are you doing, dude?
I put borax on the table and it's slippery. Where's Mom? I was going to say, where's Mom going?
I thought it was my add lotion.
What? Is it working? Mom's stretchy!
Even without the lotion. Tells you something, don't it?
It's really So, can I touch it? Why isn't it stretchy? No, I don't want this one. I'll make another batch.
All right.
for you.
There you go, sister.
This can be one, but I'm gonna make something else.
All right, little girl.
Alright guys, we'll be back.
All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it so much. If you guys don't already have a Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Musically, hear me out. You can follow me on those
I want
things.
to show him. He's not mom. It's Cody, isn't it?
Right, me and my chick made 2 signs because the first one didn't work out too very well. So,
He's blue. I'm not a he.
so guys,
Give me it.
make sure you guys follow me and make sure you guys subscribe to this channel. Lotion, this lotion sucks. With glue. I mean, with this
Slime.
slime.
Yeah.
Alright, bye guys. I'll be posting every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Excuse me. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Peace on the street. Bye.